If you're considering Botkeeper for your accounting needs, there are 12 important things you need to know before you make your decision. Whether you're new to bookkeeping software or already familiar with competitors like QuickBooks or Xero, Botkeeper offers unique features, but it may not be for everyone. Let's dive into what you should be aware of. First, Botkeeper combines AI with real human oversight. Unlike some platforms that rely solely on automated processes, Botkeeper's human accountants review and verify the work. This can help reduce errors, but it also means you'll be paying for the human support, making it more expensive than automated-only systems. Next, the software is designed primarily for small to medium-sized businesses. If you're running a large enterprise, you may find Botkeeper's features somewhat limiting compared to more robust solutions like NetSuite. For smaller businesses, though, it offers a comprehensive package that might check all the right boxes. The third thing to note is that Botkeeper offers integrated bookkeeping, tax filing, and payroll support. This can save you time and effort compared to juggling multiple platforms. However, this also means that if you're looking for specialized software for a specific area, you might find some functions lack depth compared to industry leaders. Moving on to the fourth point, Botkeeper provides unlimited support. Unlike some competitors that charge extra for customer service, Botkeeper offers assistance without additional fees. However, some users report that it can take a bit longer to resolve more complex issues compared to traditional accounting firms. The fifth thing you should know is that Botkeeper has strong integration capabilities. It connects well with popular platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, and Stripe. If you're already using these tools, Botkeeper can work seamlessly with your existing system. But if you're using niche or less common platforms, integrations might be more limited. Sixth, it's user-friendly, but not entirely intuitive. While Botkeeper's interface is simple, some users find the initial setup a bit tricky, especially if they're new to accounting software. You might need some time to get comfortable, and the learning curve could be steeper than with more straightforward tools like FreshBooks. The seventh point, Botkeeper's pricing can be higher than basic accounting software like QuickBooks. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution with human support and automation, it may justify the cost. The pricing structure is customized based on your business's needs, so it's hard to get a clear picture without a demo. The eighth thing to keep in mind is that Botkeeper doesn't offer as much customization as some users would like. If you have very specific accounting requirements, the lack of flexible reporting and customization options may be a downside. The ninth point, Botkeeper's software is scalable. As your business grows, Botkeeper can adapt. But if you're anticipating a massive expansion, it's worth noting that Botkeeper's features might not be enough for complex enterprise-level needs. For that, you might look at something like Sage Intacct. The 10th thing to note is its focus on automation. Botkeeper's AI automates data entry, categorization, and reconciliation. This can save time and reduce manual errors, but depending on your industry, you might still prefer the more hands-on approach of an accountant for certain tasks. The 11th point, Botkeeper offers great data security. It employs bank-level security measures to protect your financial data. This is a significant advantage over competitors who might not offer the same level of security out of the box. Finally, the 12th thing you should know is that Botkeeper's reporting is solid, but not quite as advanced as some other accounting solutions. It's useful for day-to-day financial tracking, but if you need deep financial analysis and forecasting, you might find its reporting a little basic compared to what's offered by competitors like Xero or FreshBooks. All in all, Botkeeper is a solid accounting solution for small to medium-sized businesses that want a mix of automation and human oversight. While it's a good option for many, if you want a more streamlined and customizable solution, consider checking out our recommended option that you can try for free.